Good morning, guys. Kayla's taking the dogs out. Oh, they're already gone. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, and I'm gonna go down to the studio, pull those lip balms out of my fridge so that they can come down to room temperature so I can clean them up. And today we're actually gonna head out and get Christmas gifts for our family, for each other, and I'm gonna take you guys along for all of that. So yeah, this is gonna be mostly an outside of the studio vlog. It's a true Christmas vlog. Right, Jiggy, are you excited? Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Oh, it is a gorgeous day. A little too bright. Let's turn that. There we go. It's better. Oh, it is just a beautiful day, and I'm actually heading outside without a jacket on. So that is incredible. Oh, hi. There he goes. Yeah, I'm actually outside without a jacket on. This is weird for me as someone who grew up in Ontario, Canada, and then later moved to Calgary, Alberta, also in Canada. Usually this time of year we are buried in snow or it's super, super cold. All right, we're headed into the studio. Okay, let's see here. Quick update on how these soaps are doing. They are curing nicely, looking really beautiful. I have a few titanium spots. I don't know if you can see it. Titanium dioxide spots from it not being completely mixed in. I'm okay with that. But yeah, look how much better these soaps look. You can still see the gel ring there if you tilt it a certain way. But yeah, everything's looking fabulous. Oh, the side light. Here are my solid. Oh. Here they are. When I first pulled them out, they are way too brittle to clean up properly, so I just allow them to soften, come to room temperature, and then I clean off the tops, cap them, and then add a label, and then we're done. Gorgeous morning on the lake. I like to add a little bit of cranberry juice into my water. It adds a nice bitterness, no, like a sourness note. Also, I like to add a little lemon juice. But we are just about ready to go. Got everything, Kale?
I think so, yeah.
Woohoo!
The dogs, on the dog's bed, dog's food, dog's bowls, ice chest for Costco.
Perfect. Yep, Costco is on our list of places to visit today.
I need to change this filter out.
Yeah. How many days are we overdue?
It says Ocho now.
Ocho? Oh, that means 8.
Was that a 13? Is that an 8 or a 1-3? It was like a...
I think it's an 8.
That, but it could be a 1-3 too, right?
It's definitely 8 days.
But if it's close, I'm gonna overflow here.
All right, Jiggy, you're gonna watch the house while we're gone? Thank you. Bye. So Kayla and I set out for our day out of adventure and Christmas shopping. And as you can see here, the landscape in Washington is so beautiful. Yes, not a hint of snow, just beautiful green evergreen trees and lots of water. And I just really love these drives whenever we just head out because it's just so relaxing, and it's definitely something that we didn't experience living in Calgary and even in Midland, Ontario, where there was water right there. And it was a really warm day. As you can see, Kayla's just wearing a vest and I'm wearing a light jacket, and we were both really comfortable. And yeah, it gets really, really foggy throughout the day as well. We decided before shopping to go and eat some lunch. And one of the places that Kayla and I love to eat at is this Vietnamese restaurant. I think it's called Tui's Pho. Tui's Pho. Sorry if I've butchered that. But their pho here is so delicious. And they had beautiful decorations in the restaurant. I ordered my usual beef pho, and we tried something new here. This is crab wontons, and Kayla and I are getting into the crab wontons and that we've seen in a few restaurants now, and we really enjoy it. And then after that, we headed to the mall, and the mall was bustling. There were so many people out and about, but they also had some fun little kiosks and a person singing in front of the Macy's, and that was really fun. And we did some shopping for our family and found a few really cool things at really awesome prices, stuff that our loved ones put on their lists. So it was good to get those taken care of. And we also bought a few things for our nieces and nephews' stockings. We like to do stockings at the Zimmerman house. So we grab a few things, a few pieces of candy and other small little things that we can tuck into their stockings. And here is Bath and Body Works, always so busy in there. And I love passing by Bath and Body Works. The smell is so nice. But then afterwards, Kale and I split up and we did our own shopping for each other. And this is Kale's footage here. So I'm not sure where he's going. This is me live reacting to what he has what he was up to when we were separated. And looks like he might have gone into H&M, which is a good choice for me. I like H&M as a clothing store. I really like their prices, and their style is good too. Looks like he went into the Seattle Team Shop, or was considering it, but I don't know if he would find anything for me in there. But maybe he was just interested in checking out a few of the merchandise in there for himself. Who knows? Oh, and another sports store. Okay. I have been wanting a vest, so maybe that's what he was looking for me in there. I've been up to date on the latest Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce news, so this t-shirt is kind of funny. And this is me when I was away from Kale, and I found this really fun soap that is great for Capricorns, apparently. It says there that Capricorns are really bossy, which Kale is not, so I'm wondering where that's from. I'm way bossier than Kale, so this is really a soap for me, let's be honest. So Kale and I are at Costco doing some Christmas shopping, and I know that Zach and Anda watch our YouTube channel, so this is safe to show, but we were thinking of getting this for our my brother-in-law, Kale's brother, and sister-in-law, which I thought was a really cool gift. Around the world in 24 wines.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. Look at all the wines you get. That is so cool.
Oh, they're like mini bottles.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Costco was pretty busy, but we managed to find what we needed to find and stock up on a few other things. And then after that, we headed back to Kale's parents' house. And on the drive home, the skies were just incredible. Look how beautiful these skies are, the blues and the pinks, and really the drive home was so magical. And I just love the evergreen trees up against these blue skies. It's always so fun to drive through the Washington streets because you get landscapes like this. And here is Kale's parents' Christmas tree, and it's really funny because Kale's mom and dad have different Christmas tree tastes, and one side was decorated by Kale's dad and the other side was decorated by Kale's mom. And I thought this was such a fun idea because you get a tree that has two styles, and I think we should normalize that. Why should a Christmas tree have only one style? I think the final look is just amazing. So this is a house that does some pretty intense lights every single Christmas around. They live pretty close to Kale's parents, and this is just amazing. Look at the effort that they went through to put every single light up. And Kale has said putting up the lights around our trees has taken a lot of effort, and I believe him. So you can just imagine the time it took to just get everything hooked up and attached to a power source so that it looks as seamless as it does. Look at those bears. Oh, this is just amazing.
We'll turn in here now.
Yeah, I think you can turn in, so we're gonna try to do that. Get a little bit. In years past, did they have music? I don't remember like carolers. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at all those reindeer. I bet if we counted, there would be exactly, how many reindeer does Santa have?
9 reindeer. 8 plus Rudolph.
Pretty sure that there's 9 over there. And look at all of these animals and their light up trees. Oh.
Jerica, there's a basset hound.
Where? Oh, okay, I'll show the basset hound when we get there. But wow, I just appreciate all of the effort that goes into doing up your lawn like this. It's amazing. There's the frogs, and I'll zoom in on the basset hound. Look at, they have all different kinds of dogs, and they even have a basset hound. That is definitely a basset hound. Looking very dapper, I must say, with a top hat.
Not a beagle, right?
Nope.
There's another basset hound in the back too.
Oh, there's 2 basset hounds. Oh my goodness. Wow. There's a basset hound breeder around here too, so maybe they own basset hounds. Oh, and look at this inflatable nutcracker head.
Yeah.
And then,
The
oh, I hear
dancers.
some music.
There is some music up there.
Oh my gosh. So here's the nutcracker portion of the display. And then there's little hedgehogs here spelling out joy. And the house itself, oh my gosh, if you just did your house like this, that would be impressive, but they've got the whole gamut going. And they advertise their house as a place where you can stop by and check out their light show. And here's a nativity scene. Right, Kel, they have a sign out on the street that says come and look. So we did. We have looked every single year, and every year it just gets better and better. Wow. Oh, photo zone. Oh, you can take pictures here if you want to. Should we take a picture? Should we do it? No.
Now we got the dogs.
Yeah, we're too shy. Maybe next year. But yeah, look at all of this. And yeah, there's no snow on the ground, but it's still incredibly festive. Oh my god, look at those shoes and the ring. Wow. Oh, just so well done. And I don't know if you can see it back there, but there is I think it's two elves on a seesaw. Usually this this Ferris wheel's going.
Yeah, usually the Ferris wheel
but
is
it's
lit up
not.
and going around.
There seems to be a, yeah, not sure what's going on there, but
You want to take a ride again to look at the elves?
amazing show. No, we're okay. Wow. Wow. So we are back home and I've got to feed Jiggy, but we had such a fun day. Kale's coming in with some presents. So we had such a fun day with Kale's family, and I didn't vlog much of it because I was just enjoying family time. And I'm sorry that this vlog was a little bit shorter than the other vlogs, but I just wanted to say a quick thank you to my patrons. You guys are amazing, and thank you so much for supporting me, and their names are over here. If you want the lip balm recipe, you can find that on my Patreon, which is linked down below. And I know that I said that I was going to clean them up tonight, but I am tired. We had a full day of running errands and Costcoing and family time, and I just feel super exhausted. So I don't think I'm going to be doing that tonight, but I will do it tomorrow. I'll label a few things tomorrow, and I think I'm going to be doing a batch of bath bombs tomorrow so that I can release some for my Monday launch to go along with the soaps. These orders probably won't be able to make it to their destinations by Christmas time, and I'm sorry about that, but hopefully those who are just wanting to purchase for themselves can do so as of Monday. But you'll see me prepare for all of that tomorrow on Sunday. But in the meantime, until that next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.